Day to get outside, enjoy the beautiful weather and some green.
Yes, definitely. Get that green thumb going, because I'll tell you, a lot of the vegetation is going to get fooled in the next couple of days. We're looking at 80s on the forecast as we begin 2026. In fact, this weather pattern that we go into the weekend with is a new one in the new year. Let's first start with your New Year's Eve forecast. If you're heading out the door, we've got 57 waiting for you in less than an hour. So now that the sun is down, the temperatures are dropping quickly by 10, a chilly 52. Skies should stay mostly clear, but there will be a few clouds out there, and it'll get cold by midnight, 48. Winds will be south and southwest. A look into Delk, there they go. Already some fireworks showing up on the skyline. We're looking at the quarry, and you can see the stacks are lit for fireworks celebration. Multicolored, 65 with a south wind about 7. Dew point still so nice and low. Very, very dry air out there. Temperature-wise today from 35 this morning to 69 degrees. Rainfall for the month, 0.3 of an inch. So how do we close out the year in precipitation? May and June were blockbuster months. I mean, that was really the bulk of our rainfall. Pretty good August as well before we hit the brakes. Only got about less than 3.5 inches of rain over a 4-month stretch. And September and October should have been almost 4 inches, both of those. So we're finishing the year about 5.5 inches behind. Not too bad. But look at this. I mean, flooding rains continue in Southern California. Huge problem there with mudslides. Well, for us, this is a very stable flow, and so this is going to stay in place. It's going to be a warming pattern for sure as we go into the next couple of days. I want to update you on travel, especially, again, out west for tomorrow, and then it gets a little bit better on Friday before it looks like we could see delays in Atlanta and Los Angeles on Saturday in case any travel coming back into San Antonio or out. All right, take a look. We do see things warming up. In fact, some 80s are in the forecast, but we will see a frontal boundary come in. Now, the winds are going to start picking up as early as tomorrow afternoon, about 3 p.m., but they'll be south and southwest. Remember, that's a warming wind, as is a west wind, which is really expected to pick up on Friday. So some breezy days ahead, and the winds, that direction is definitely going to send mercury up. So 75 tomorrow after a low of 43. So nice chilly morning, but not in the 30s unless you're in the hill country. No freezing temperatures expected. 83 on a windy Friday. And then over the weekend, here's the front. The first one of the year only sends us to 77 on Saturday and then 76 on Sunday. And morning temperatures really won't be impacted. A chilly start to Monday the 5th. That is the mother of all Mondays, right? School is back. Everybody back to work. Oh, my goodness. All right, 80 on Tuesday. 78 on Wednesday. So I'll tell you, a very mild first 7, and then only a few 60s are showing up on the second 7, and even those are in the upper 60s.